Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is June the 4th, and the chart of the day for today is the Nasdaq 60 minutes time frame here. So we can see, if we just look at the 1 hour, maybe it's not too interesting, but we're gonna talk about a little bit of a larger degree as well. So here we can see we are in the process of finishing with 5, right? With 5 in the minute degree. This is 105, this is 205. Now of course, alternate scenario, instead of 105, this could have been your entire wave 5 over here. And we're gonna take a look at the 4 hour, so don't worry, so you will have more ideas. But for now, suffice to say, as long as we stay above 27.25, we could see a little bit more upside. Now I think in the shorter cycle, probably, like I said, I think the use of this shorter cycle is really to give an idea of the definition of the market, on the confirmation of the market. So as you know, we've been getting a pretty decent sell-off after the tariff war, right? After Trump announced tariff war, we got this pretty decent sell-off in the market in the Nasdaq, and you can notice here that since we bottomed here back in April 7, we've been rallying quite aggressively, and I think we will soon be able to get the confirmation we need whether or not this low is likely really in place and that we're going to be extending to new high, because we have not broken to new high, right? But I think we will soon be able to sort of get more confirmation or higher probability, so to speak. So I put down this wave 4, wave 3 here in the 4 hour time frame. So let me complete the outlook. This is 1 in blue, this is 2 in blue, right? Now if using this count, then that means we're going to be ending 3, 4, 5 in blue, right? And then that will end 5 in black, right? That will end 5 in black. But now the question is, where's the 1 and 2 in black? Now if you look at the 4 hour, you notice here there is this 1, 2, 3, right? So this is from here to here is a 3 swing. It's not a 5 swing. So this is actually a 1, 2 here. This is actually a 1, 2. Okay, and then so that what is this then? And so this one could potentially be another 1, 2, but in a higher degree, which is in the minor degree. So now what is really useful in this shorter cycle idea here is that you already have, if you count the number of swing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So far we got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7, right? 7 swing. Now technically we do need further upside, because 7 swing is actually a corrective sequence. Let's say I'm someone bearish, I could have tried to label this as a B and then a very, very big C, finish here, and then starts to reverse, right? If I'm someone bearish. So if we can get a little bit more upside extension breaking above here, then that will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 swing. So that is actually a little bit more bullish, because 9 swing is a motive sequence, right? It's a motive sequence. So ideally, again, now this could have been with 5, like I mentioned before, and if that is with 5, then this will be with 3 here, and this will be a wave 4, like this, and then a new high will make it a 5 waves up from here, which is increasing the odds of a real low already in place back in April 7, because right now we still kind of waiting to see if we can really see a 5-way rally from here or not. Now, so far, the sequence is not yet complete, but I think if we do get at least a 9 swing sequence, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then I think that will imply further upside extension in an impulsive structure, right? So again, we just need to see a little bit more upside above that previous peak here, okay, and then we will have a 9 swing which will be more bullish, So for now, we could assume for now that is taking place, and we're just waiting for the confirmation break above here. So as long as we stay above 27.25, we do like further upside, and break above this peak will somewhat confirm that the bullish view is going to be the one playing out with higher probability, and we can continue to see more upside before finishing this 5 ways, and then we can say that okay, this low is really in place back in April 7, and eventually we will make new all-time high again in the Nasdaq. Okay, so for now, shorter cycle, looking for more upside, targeting the next 100% of this. So we're going to be targeting somewhere around 22,207 as the next potential target. Okay, so that is the idea for today, guys. And as always, if you want to get more updates on the Nasdaq or any other ETF, commodities, Forex, indices, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. If you look at our website, Elliottwave-forecast.com, there is this 14 days trial here. You can click this to try for only 99 cents if you are new members. If you do want to see our subscription plan after the trial, you can check these plans and pricing over here, and you can check out the different plans that is suitable for you. And if you want to learn more about Elliott Wave and you are not ready to subscribe from the plan itself, you can check out the education classes here to learn about Elliott Wave, to understand more about the theory. Alright, so I'm going to put all this direct link in the description of the video, and I'll see you all next time, and have a nice day, everyone.